Today I will show you that how can you create Telegram account on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly install the Telegram app on your device. So you can install this app using Google Play Store or Apple Store on your device. So simply after you install the Telegram app, you'll just have to open the app. So from here you'll have to tap on this start messaging option. Alright, so from here you'll have to add your phone number or contact number to be login or create your Telegram account. So I will give my credential or phone number here. Alright, so after you're done from here by giving your country code and your phone number, you'll have to just tap on this arrow icon. Alright, so right now I have already created our account from that phone number, so I am directly log into my account. So in your case it might be showing you to verify your identity, so from there you'll have to give your verification code that you receive on that phone number, and from there you'll have to add your first name and last name, and after that you'll have to also add your Google ID or Gmail ID from there, and from there you have to also confirm your verification code that you receive on that email, and after that you will be able to see such interface from your Telegram, and finally you have created your Telegram account by using your phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if any queries or arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.